Hello fellow acrobat, Luis Arabia here from my appliance training, and this is going to be the first video of 2011. I hope you have a nice Christmas, and I'll take this opportunity to wish you a happy new year and all your wishes come true, all your dreams. Today we're going to talk about handstand. Just some very important point that you have to have in mind when you're doing a handstand, and there are not that many, to be honest. So we start with the first one. It's going to be, I see a lot of people doing handstand. The first thing they do is they open their arm. There's too wide apart. So basically, first, listen, you have to actually make it shoulder width apart. Okay, that's the first one. So bring it close a little bit, and then the second one is your elbow as well. Lock your elbow. I see a lot of people doing with burnt arms. So basically, what you want to do is you want to stretch and lock your elbow all the way. Okay, so lock your elbow straight. Okay, so together. Elbows locked. Okay. Third one, and very important, is the shoulder. Shoulder should be completely out. That's another thing I see a lot of people doing. Shoulders shrunk in. You want to push your shoulder out, completely out. Basically, you want to bring your shoulder all the way to cover your ears. So you push up with your hands like that. Another point, the head. Okay, I see a lot of people as well, because they're arching their back. What they do is they stick the head out, and that makes him arch your back a lot more. So basically, you don't want to do it like this. You want to actually bring your head in and push your elbows. You want to be as straight as possible, so stack your head in a little bit. Okay, and very important one. Basically, the more important one, because I see a lot of people doing the banana shape handstand. How do you fix that? You have to contract your glutes when you do a handstand completely. All the time you have to make it really tight, and your abs, bring your hips inward and contract your abs. Okay, and that's it for now. So think about what I just said and apply. Have fun.